Nairobi, Kenya. This is where I'm shooting my video right here. I'm sorry for the background behind me. There is a church running just right down here, and you can hear how people in Kenya are very jovial, very happy people, always looking forward to entertain others, to sing for God, to praise Him, energetic, and always in good mood. I'm so happy to be here. This is my last week. Apparently, I am just having some few days left to be here. As you can see from down here, from the other side here, it's really hot. Really hot. I'm really burning, and I can tell you the weather, the sun here is extremely hot. I just wanted to appreciate everyone who has been watching my channel, who has been subscribing to my channel, and even to everybody who leaves the comment and even likes my video. I so much appreciate you all. I just wanted to pass by. I still don't have some lessons prepared. As I told you, I am right here at home. I am here to enjoy my time with the family and everybody, my friends, my relatives. That's why it's impossible for me to prepare lessons for you. But as soon as I'm back to my program, back to my normal schedule, I will make sure I organize and plan lessons for you all, and even I will make sure I'm going to improve on the videos and even make sure that everybody is coming along and is also benefiting in what I have prepared in my lesson. I just want to thank you all and even to wish you all a beautiful evening wherever you are, a beautiful good night wherever you are, even a beautiful day like this that I have here with me. With those few words, I want to end this video right here. I'm sorry for the background music behind me. I hope it's also entertaining for you all, and we'll see us next time. Keep tuned. Bye.